Now, speaking of China, China's influence over global supply chains extend far beyond rare earth. It has quietly become the world's largest supplier of pharmaceutical ingredients that form the backbone of modern medicines. According to Chinese government data, China now accounts for a 40% of global active pharmaceutical ingredient or API, production of API that is. Even more significant, the Brookings Institution estimates that 41% of the key starting materials used in US-approved medicines are sourced exclusively from China. These are the essential chemical inputs used to manufacture drugs ranging from antibiotics to painkillers. The growing dependence has prompted US policymakers and think tanks to warn that pharmaceutical supply chains could emerge as the next strategic vulnerability in the US-China's economic rivalry. China's leadership in pharmaceutical ingredients is the result of decades of industrial expansion, cost competitiveness, and policy support as well. As manufacturing costs and environmental regulations increased in Western economies, API production steadily shifted to China. Today, China supplies 70% of US antibiotic API imports, while India's pharmaceutical industry, which produces 61% of generic drugs used in the United States, still imports around 70% of its pharmaceutical ingredients from China. China is no longer focused only on low-cost pharmaceutical production. It is rapidly moving into high-value drug ingredients and advanced biotechnology. Since 2022, the number of Chinese suppliers producing semaglutide APIs used in popular obesity and diabetes treatments has increased from 4 to 33, giving China an estimated 80% share of global production. While the US and its allies are exploring ways to diversify pharmaceutical supply chains, analysts argue that the deep integration of Chinese manufacturing into global medicine production means reducing dependence will require years of investment.